Here in front of me, I've got a 164 motorcycle with a driver. It's from the brand CM. And this is my first motorcycle from this brand. You see they're active on social media. You got a barcode, an article number, and some information. Here's the frame if you want to read it. Here you got also a website. Let's open this up. I do have other models from CM. I believe it's a Porsche. Did a review about it on my YouTube channel. But I have a weakness for these 164 motorcycles, figures, etc. And I thought, let's give it a try. I'm not a motorcycle expert, so I don't know what motorcycle this is. What I do see, first of all, box package, I like that. Really good for the environment and also very well protected here in this plastic. Okay, it feels very well, I have to say. Oh, and the wheels are even rolling. Same for the back. I like that. And it got even steering wheel. Holy smoke, this is some next level. I was not expecting that. I do have a lot of motorcycles from More Art and also from American Diorama. This one is really, really nice. Very well done. Details are good. Paint is good. We got even some holes here in the brake disc. That's a BMW motor. There, I see it. It's a BMW. I think it's really well done. Lanced headlights. Got the windscreen here. Silver paint or sticker on the side mirrors. Yeah, really cool. Really, really cool. Okay, then we have this thing right here. And you can place the motorbike. I think it has supposed to be, you put, well, I can better do it like this. Place the back wheel right there. And then you can do, oh, no. Sorry. Okay, so this is the figure. Yeah, it's a little bit weird to see this, but yeah. Good ass. Okay, but how does it look when she sits on the motorbike? I think that is supposed to be the position. I don't know. So it has to be something like this, but her arms are not coming to the... That's really weird. So I have no idea. So maybe I have to, because her arms are pretty flexible. So it can be that I have to do it like this. One. No. The figure, I don't know. Maybe I'm doing it all wrong. That is also possible. Nah. It's also not at a position. Really, really, really strange. Okay, anyway, figure is maybe not so good, but the motorcycle is definitely awesome. And the rolling wheels and that you can steer is a big surprise to me. That is new for me. I haven't seen that with other 164 motorcycles. So yeah, definitely a good one. Okay, let me know what you think about it. Please, a thumbs up. You really help me with that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Have a nice day. Bye.